Hey everybody, this is Gaynor Meilke at Charisma Inc. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about changing SEO and the impact that AI is having on search engine optimization. And I think this is a really important distinction. If you have an accounting firm or small business, because we tend to think that Google is the be all end all of being found online, but really, while obviously Google is the most used search engine, there's a lot of other tools that are being used both in B2B and B2C for search. One is social. So if you're not already optimizing LinkedIn or Instagram, Facebook, those channels where your audience is to be found, then that is something that you'll definitely want to look at in the coming year. And then another piece of the puzzle is, of course, AI and the different engines that are being used in tools like ChatGPT. So I just finished doing a blog post on this topic, and I think the biggest takeaways, there's really three, are one, no matter what you're doing or what you're creating or your website, videos, you need to think about what the intent is. If somebody's going to find your piece of content, what are they looking for? Because that's really the key to everything. We don't want to create content just for the sake of it, unless we're doing a vlog or we have a lot of time and we want to just get our thoughts out there. But if you're doing content for marketing purposes or sales purposes, you just want to think about who your ideal customer is and what it is that they're looking for that you're answering. And this goes back to the video I made a little while ago about asking specific questions. So if you've got FAQs, frequently asked questions, that you keep getting from prospects or frequent objections, then perfect content topics that are going to do well for search engine optimization too are answers to those questions. So for example, we often get asked about SEO and content and online presence. And so we try to make videos about those topics or write blogs that are going to answer those questions that our prospects might have and our customers might have as well. So really it's about being very specific about who your customer is, what they're looking for online, where they are, and how you can answer their questions. And that's really what we need to know when it comes to search. We can't fool Google or any other tool. They are looking for the most relevant, most authoritative, and the most trusted sources. So really the big takeaway is be consistent, be clear who your audience is, and then be of service to them. Answer the questions that they have in a way that makes it easy for them to understand. They'll see you as an expert, and then the next time they actually have a need that your service fills, you're going to rise to the top of the search that they do online and the search that they do to remember things in their mind too. And that's super important.